Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sharmin. Today I'm going to show you how to upload this question paper, and you in my description box you can find a link and go there and upload and practice. So it's very useful, and you can check your answer. Okay, after finish then you can check your answer also. So let's get started. This is biology 2016 GCSE. Okay, so let's get started. This is very large, so I will make it 2 video for that. Okay, so number one question: nicotine and alcohol are drugs that affect the brain. So what is the correct description of both nicotine and alcohols? So here is, you can see, tick one box. So you just tick here. So nicotine and alcohol, this is a legal and recreational drugs. Okay. 1A part 2. Why do people find it difficult to stop smoking? So smoking, this is an addiction. A cigarette is a drug. Okay, so people can become addicted to it, and people who try to stop smoking may develop withdrawal symptoms if they have smoked heavily for a long time. So a drug company has developed a new drug which helps people to stop smoking. So the new drug prevents the feeling of pleasure caused by nicotine in the smoke. The new drug is now being tested on rats which have been given a lot of alcohol to drink. The company wants to find out if the drug can help people to stop drinking alcohol. So 1B part 1. Okay. It is important that the tests on rats are done by an independent company. What is the mean by an independent company? So independent company means idea of not part of the drug company. Okay, so let's see another. This is very large, so I will try to hurry. Okay, but you don't do that. You don't panic. You take time and you complete 1 hour. Okay, so 1B part 2. Why is it important that the tests are done by an independent company? So here is a 1 mark. Idea of, so they will not be biased. Okay, so 1B part 3. Some scientists believe that the part of the brain sensitive to alcohol is the same as the part of the brain sensitive to nicotine. Explain why the new drug might be useful for treating people who find it difficult to stop drinking alcohol. So obviously you need to write down the reason. So number 1 reason, reduce feeling of pleasure, and number 2, less likely to drink alcohol. Okay, so let's see another. Here is a here is a figure. 1 shows the results of survey into the different types of alcoholic drinks consumed by 115-year-old boys and 115-year-old girls in the UK. So figure 1, you can see this is a boys and girls. This is black color boys and white color girls, and percentage of 15-year-olds who consumed the drink. Okay, so here is the types of alcoholic drink. Let's see the question. So describe the difference between the types of alcoholic drink consumed by boys and girls. Use only information for figure 1. Okay, so number 1, you can see this is a graph. You can see clearly this is black color. This is a boy, so percentage, higher percent or more boys than girls drink beer. Okay, cider. Okay, and number 2, higher percent or more girls. This is a girls. You can see the drink spirits, right? Okay, so 1C part 2. A newspaper headline stated, all boys drink alcohol. Use information from part C and figure 1 to give one reason why the newspaper headline may not be correct. So only done on 15-year-olds. Okay, so another one, this is 2. Okay, in this question you will be assessed on using good English, organizing information clearly, and using specialist terms where appropriate. Mineral ions are an important component of a healthy diet. Describe how the other components of the diet are important in keeping us healthy. In your answer, you should refer to the different components, why we need each component. So this is one reason: carbohydrate for energy. So you need to write down why need carbohydrate for energy. Protein, protein need for build cells. Vitamins for healthy functioning of the body. Okay, and balanced diet contains right balance of different foods to meet needs. So here is an extra space here. Allow other components and needs, for example, roughage and water transport food particles. So here is all question is easy. I hope you understand. Okay, if you practice more, it can help you. It will be easy for you. Number 2, students investigated composition. The students put some decaying grass cutting into a vacuum flask, put a carbon dioxide sensor and a temperature sensor in the flask, attached the sensors to a data logger, and closed the flask with cotton wool. A vacuum flask was used to reduce the loss of thermal energy. So you can see this shows the investigation. Figure 2, you can see this is data logger and temperature sensor and cotton wool. This is carbon dioxide, grass cutting, and this is a vacuum flask. Okay, so question is, give one advantage of using a temperature sensor attached to data logger instead of a thermometer. So a continuous reading do not need to be there, and so accurate. This is another reason. So you need to write down only one advantage, because here is 1 marks. If here is 2 or 3, then you write down more. And 3b, figure 3 shows the results from the data logger for data logger for carbon dioxide concentration in the flask for next 25 days, percentage concentration of carbon dioxide, and here is a time in days. So you can see here the graph here. Why did the concentration of carbon dioxide in the flask increase? Why? What's the reason? Okay, so a reason why: microorganisms respire releases carbon dioxide. This is one reason. And allow microbes, bacteria, fungi, decomposer for microorganisms throughout ignore carbon released. Okay, so B, part 2, suggest what has happened in the flask to cause the carbon dioxide concentration to level off after 20 days. So all grass decomposed. Okay, so whenever here is 20 days, so it will be decomposed. This is easy. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. You can see another, I will make another video, then it will be easy for me, and also you can check my another video. Thank you for watching.